Welcome to Allie in the Valley. I'm Allison Ball Kilmer. Allie in the Valley is a lifestyle blog about healthy, delicious food, all while staying on a budget. Homegrown cooking, down-to-earth living. Welcome back to Allie in the Valley. I'm going to do an amazing pasta that I found online, I think in Food and Wine, and I do my own version of it, but it's like a scallion garlic pasta. So good with peas and mint and prosciutto, and I love it. I have like 5 cloves of garlic that I'm going to cut up in a minute, but first I'm going to cut up my scallions. Now, I usually grow these in my garden. These are store-bought just because I need to replant my garden. So we're going to cut these very finely. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a scallion garlic cream sauce with lemon and mint and prosciutto, and smash my garlic, finely chop my garlic. And all this is going to go in the pan with some butter and some heavy cream, and it's going to become our sauce. All right, all this is going to go in my saute pan over here. I'll put it in here before it goes in the oven. And this is going to be the base for our cream sauce. We're going to put half a stick of butter in there. That's right, baby, a little bit of butter. I have my pasta boiling over here. My little tiny yummy little pasta. And now I have the scallions, garlic, and butter in my saucepan, and I'm gonna let that saute down a little bit, and then I'm gonna add the heavy cream because we're making our own cream sauce. So when you make your own cream sauce, it's tastier, it's healthier, it's better. Yes, I'm using heavy cream, but I am making a cream sauce for my pasta. I think this pasta is done, so add that too, back in. Ooh, it's green, it's so cute, yummy. Now I'm going to start adding the cooked pasta in. And we're going to start blending this. Then I'll put the peas in, the mint, and some lemon zest. These are English green peas, where you know I bought them, Trader Joe's. Okay, so we did the zest of the lemon. Now I'm doing fresh mint. This fresh mint's gonna give it that, I don't even know, that kick, that wonderful spring yummy flavor. Let's mix it all together. So why have it on high? I'm making the sauce get thicker. The higher the heat, the sauce really starts thickening up. Now I just need to add some cheese and some seasoning, and we're ready to eat. Oh, prosciutto. I forgot the prosciutto, but prosciutto's going to come last because I don't want it cooked. I want to keep the prosciutto raw the way it comes, you know, and add it at the very end. Now we're going to add some cheese, Italian pasta cheese too. My pasta with green beans, the scallion, cream sauce, prosciutto, mint, put a little extra mint on here, is done, and it's time to eat. It's so good. I've been really making it a lot lately because it has the springtime taste in it. It's the peas, the prosciutto. If you don't want prosciutto, if you want to keep it vegan, don't have prosciutto. Super yummy. So let me taste it. The mint highlights everything. The zest of the lemon, the prosciutto, all of it is perfect. It's a perfect springtime pasta or just pasta anytime. You know where to get the recipes. www.allieinthevalley.